We all diet, yet we all get fat. Do we still call that a healthy lifestyle? What good is a lifestyle that ruins our body and turns us into addicts? Our experts recommend the right food, but that's the food that makes us fat. The people who claim diets are normal and healthy are not qualified to advise us what goes on inside. That domain belongs to legitimate medicine. Experts claim they've given us a healthy lifestyle. They couldn't be more wrong. Our body doesn't adapt, it evolves. Diets don't work because our body won't let them. It responds to famine, not diets. Sure, you'll lose weight in a famine, but your body's programmed to recover it. It'll even add an extra layer of fat for protection each time. Common sense, right? Evolution takes eons, not a few decades. But it's human nature to think maybe this diet will work. We may even think, I know the weight will come back, but I'll face it when it happens. Diet experts won't tell you this, but they are not concerned with the inside of your body. The fact is, we're eating the wrong food and it's making us fat. Wrong means food the body doesn't understand and can't process. The more famines you create, the more your body will protect your fat. You don't believe that? Take a good look around. Most people diet and most people are fat. Yes, it's possible to lose weight for good, but it begins with curing your addiction. As long as your addiction chooses your food, you'll get no help from your body. You can get more details on my website here. Thank you for listening.